Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to get Google Play Store app for your Windows PC. Let's jump straight into it guys. For that you just need to open up Google Chrome. Search for Play Store guys. Click on the official Play Store, Google Play Store. So if you want to install any particular app guys, you simply click on install and install it. So if you like to create this Play Store shortcut, click on three dot icon. Select more tools and select create shortcut. Name this as Google Play Store and select create. Now we have successfully created the Google Play Store guys. Now if you are a Microsoft Edge user, open up Microsoft Edge. The same way you just need to search for Play Store, press enter. Click on the official Play Store, Google Play Store guys website, and now you just want select three dot icon and select apps. Install this site as an app. Click on it and name it as Google Play Store and click on install and install it. For allow this app to pin taskbar and pin to start, I'm gonna uncheck it. If you want it, you just need to allow it guys, but I'm gonna create desktop shortcut. Click allow and now we has been created Play Store, Google Play Store guys. And that's all we have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.